loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a quick first impression of the latest item that I've purchased from Demellier, and that is the Midi New York bag. So if you're interested to know what my thoughts are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So like I've mentioned, I'm going to do a quick first impression of my Demellier, the Midi New York bag. I'm going to share with you the ordering process online as well as the handling and shipping, and then afterwards I'm going to give you the specs of the handbags itself, why I have chosen this particular handbag, and then I am going to give you my first impressions of the handbag, and I'm going to make a quick comparison with the Demellier's the Midi Los Angeles braid bag. So stay tuned. So I'm going to start this video by letting you know that I did an unboxing video of this handbag. Well, it's actually a shorts video, so I'm going to put the card just right there as well as a link in the description down below. Go check it out so you have an idea how it looks like or how it was packaged, how it arrived at my place, so you have an idea how Demellier sent their handbags. I'm going to share with you my experience on the online purchase as well as with the shipping and handling. To be honest, it's like the previous experience that I had with Demellier when I purchased the Midi Los Angeles braided bag. I'm going to put also the card just right there as well as the link down below, my video about that handbag, so go check it out if you haven't already. And out there I also mentioned, like the same thing that I'm going to mention in this video, is that the shipping and handling was really perfection. To let you know, I have ordered this handbag on a Wednesday morning, so I think just around before noon, and it was delivered at home, so from the UK to Belgium, within 48 hours, so within 2 business days, and it arrived here around, let's say, 2 in the afternoon, Friday. So ordered it on a Wednesday before noon, and it arrived in Belgium, from UK to Belgium, on a Friday beginning of the afternoon. So that was really fast. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it is DHL Express. That's the option that is mentioned, and the shipping is free in a way that the handling and shipping, the cost is already within the whole package of the handbag itself. And I purchased this handbag. Actually, it wasn't in my intention at all, but I have received an email from Demellier that they are having the summer sale. So in comparison to the Black Friday sale that in general is held around October or November, where they put, at least last year was like that everything at Demellier was 30%. In this case, it's just certain items that are on sales, like the winter sale when I purchased my Midi Los Angeles handbag. So this one, I purchased it on the summer sale, which is still currently going on. So go check out the Demellier website, and if ever there's some handbags that you're eyeing but don't want to, put the retail price, so maybe go check it out. If ever you might score one like I did. So yeah, I saw the Midi New York handbag, and to be honest, I wanted to have the black one. That was my goal, the pure black leather one. But if I really want that one, I think I will still wait for October. And anyways, this time around it wasn't on the summer sale, but it is this beautiful stripe pattern. And at first I wasn't, I was like, do I really need this? Of course, you never really need a handbag, but if you love one, you have to get it. So like I did. First and foremost, at first I was actually debating with this one because, like I've mentioned, I wanted the leather one and I don't want to have a lot of similar handbags. But with this one, I was like, okay, it's on summer sale. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I have in the region of 24% discount of the retail price. So I got it, and the thing that kind of like attracted me the most is the, as you can see, I like stripes. For those who know me knows that I have a lot of stripes clothes. So when this one came on the summer sale, it's like, that is not a bad idea. The only thing at first that I was hesitating, it's because this is, like you can see, this is in canvas. It's not leather. But other than that, I think it's still great. I can wear it all year round because of the color combo white and black. So it's very easy to wear this during spring and summer, as well as fall and winter because of the black tone. So yeah, I got this during the summer sale, which is currently still going on. And like I've mentioned, I got it with around 24% discount. I got mine without monogramming. So I think because of that, the shipping was also very fast, because I think the last one, the Midi Los Angeles that I got, I had it monogrammed, so it just took, I think, a day or two more for it to arrive here. But this one, I didn't have any monogramming, so it went really fast. And yeah, so got this. Very happy with shipping, handling, very happy with the discount with the current summer sale. And also I finally got a Midi New York bag. So now let's head on to the specs. So for the quick specs of the handbag itself, so I'm just going to show you how it looks like up front, on the side, the back, the other side, the bottom, and then the inside. So first and foremost, this is, like I mentioned, the Midi New York, and this one is in cotton canvas, and it's in black. Well, it's actually black and ecru, so it's kind of like grayish at the same time. So really love that color combo. And then inside you have a smooth cowhide leather with subtle shine on all of these buttons and in here as well. And it has, as you can see, a strap, and this is in leather as well. And then the inside, just to show you, is in black cotton lined interior, where you also have a zipper there. So that is the materials of the handbag itself. As for the size and compatibility, so the top width here, it is 40 centimeters. The opening width is 48 centimeters. The base width is 22 centimeters. The height is 22 centimeters. The depth is 15 centimeters. The handle drop is 12 centimeters. And then the crossbody, that is detachable, and also you can change the length. The crossbody drop is 49 centimeters. I am 5'2", and it's arrived just here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, just on my hip, if I don't change the current position, but I can shorten it as well. The current weight without anything in it, since it is canvas, it's 860 grams. Just to let you know, concerning the devices, this handbag does not fit a 13-inch devices or higher, so only everything under 13-inch. So for example, an iPad and so on. It can also fit an 11-inch laptop. So yeah, that is the specs for the handbag itself. As for the first impression, honestly, like I've mentioned earlier, the model itself, I like it because it's very versatile. I can wear it casually as well as formal style because of the, you know, subtle gold tones. And what I like about this handbag is it has feet, as you can see there. So it's very nice. If I put it on a table, it will not immediately, even though I know it will touch, you know, just the idea of a handbag having feet, it's a plus. And then I can close it. It's a magnetic closure, as you can see in here, but it also have some snaps here, so for full protection. Of course, it's not the most protected handbag in a way that there are no zipper, but I mean, come on. Just to show you, I can put it on the arm if I am in a spring summer attire, but once I'll be wearing fall or winter clothes, of course it will be more on the crook of my arm, as you can see in here, or even with the strap if I want it to be crossbody, and if I want my both of my hands to be free, because you know, as a mom, or even though you're not a mom, if you want to have hands free, it's always good to have this possibility to add it on. And I can always take it out if I like to, because you know, like I've mentioned, it's detachable. And I really love the idea of it's just a big hole, but if I want to, I can put a organizer inside. But yeah, this last few months I am more into, you know, just put it in the back like that. And then I love the fact that it has zipper as well. If I really wanted to put something more to be secured, I have a way to put it in here. It's not that big, but it's a reasonable size. And then the fact that inside is cotton lining, it's you know, I know that it won't scratch the leather at all. So yeah, to be honest, first impression, very nice, very happy of what it looks like. This part I can, as you can see, I haven't taken off the protection because I like the way that it looks very matte. So we'll see if I will take it out or not. But I like this. It kind of reminds me of the, you know, kind of like the Celine vibes, or the even Hermes vibes with this kind of thing. But yeah, so yeah, I want that's my first impression. Love how it looks, love how the vibe that it's giving me, and I love the stripe. I can really wear it with everything, with my different outfits. First impression, quite satisfied. Can't wait to use it. Okay, so now just a very quick comparison between the Midi New York and the Midi LA with braided handles. So normally at Demellier, they say that both handbags, I mean, have the same sizes because they are both Midi. But as you can see, when I show it like that, the Los Angeles seems a lot smaller than the New York. But if I put it this way, look, just the bottom part, for example, they are the same size, as well as the depth. See, same size. And then the inside, to be honest, they are also the same size. The only difference is this one seems bigger because of the flaps. Let's call it the flap. The flaps on the side, that this one is a little bit more, you know, subtle, as you can see. You can see the flaps of the New York going out, unlike here. It's that, but inside it's about, I think, the same. I think the inside, this one is a little bit bigger though, right? Because if I put the, see, I can put the Los Angeles inside the New York, but I don't think that the New York can go inside the Los Angeles. But in a way, I like them both because they are two different styles, kind of like the same shape, but still different style. Of course, this is leather, this is canvas, but other than that, they give me different vibes, but at the same time, very easy to wear, you know, casually as well as with formal clothes. And then both of them has feet, and then both of them, just going to show you if I can, have this, you know, this straps that with the Los Angeles, I've already used them. So yeah, and like I mentioned earlier, the Los Angeles one has monogramming that I didn't do with the New York one. But yeah, and then the closure, this one has a magnetic closure and the pressured button on the side, unlike the LA one. Everything, it has also 3 magnetic points for it to close, and then also a zipper inside, and the inside also is, you know, cotton lining. So to be honest, both of them are really great. I love them both. I still have to use this to give you my you know, a first review of after using it for a while. But with this one, I have been using it not every day because I tend to change my handbags at least once or twice a week, but I have used it already and I really like it. The only difference though is that this one, like you have seen, I may be able to put it under my, you know, arms like that, but it's not that pretty. But this one, it's not possible. I can just put it like that, because the handle is quite small. So yeah, there you go. That is just a quick comparison between the Midi LA and the Midi New York. So there you go, guys. That was my quick, I hope so, first impression of my Demellier, the Midi New York handbag. I hope that this video has helped some of you out there who are debating to purchase this brand or this specific handbag, the New York one and also the Los Angeles one. And I hope that this video also has entertained some of you out there. If you have any questions or whatsoever, put them in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them if I can. And also, if you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And if you are enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my video. So until then, I hope to see you all soon and take care. Bye!
Música